Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our Qa'ida course. Inshallah, today we will look at our second Laam, and that Laam is called Laam Shamsiyah. And this happens whenever a letter of a Shamsiyah or the sun letters comes after the definite article al, which is alif and lam. Both the alif and lam become silent when it appears at the middle of a sentence. The alif is written as silent but is pronounced with fatha when it appears at the beginning of a sentence. So what happened there is that when a Shamsiya letter or a sun letter comes after alif and lam while they are in the middle of a sentence, both the alif and the lam become silent. They are written, but they are not pronounced. When they appear, when the example appear in the beginning of a sentence, the alif will take a fatha. Okay, the lam will remain silent, but the alif will take a fatha. Let's look at the examples. Here we have the letters of ash-shamsiyya, which are called huruf ash-shamsiyya, and they are ta, tha, dal, dhal, ra, zai, sin, shin, sod, dod, ta, wa, lam, and noon. We have to memorize these letters, okay? In our example here, it shows that ta, which is the first one, comes after alif and lam while being in the middle of the sentence. And we said that both the alif and the lam will become silent. Okay? And the ta will take a shadda. Okay? So this ayah goes, وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ. Not turatha. Okay? We don't say وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ. No, we jump straight over the alif and the lam onto the ta, which has the shadda, and we say وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ. Okay? Here we have the example again. So we cancel both the alif and lam because ta comes after alif and lam. In the other example, we will have if they appear at the beginning of a sentence, we will have the alif and lam written but not pronounced, but we will have to put a additional fatha on top of the alif, which we learned in our last lesson. So the example will be like this, at-turathu, yeah, if it comes at the beginning of a word or a sentence. Like we said, that this example will not be in the Quran, this one will be in the Quran. But because we understand the rule, we know that we have to put a fatha above this alif and we say at-turathu. Okay? So let's see some more examples. The examples here are at the middle of a sentence and beginning of a sentence. So we have seen, and here we have seen coming after alif and lam. As we said, both alif and lam will be written but not pronounced. So we will have to start from this waw with the fatha, which is what? So we go all the way over alif and lam on the sin, and we say was. Yeah, we say was. So this example will read as was-samai wama banaha. Okay? If this word as-sama comes at the beginning of a sentence, it will be written this way, but we have to put a fatha on top here, so it's going to be as-sama'u as in this example. But again, this example will not be written in the Quran. This example will be written in the Quran, but we have to put a fatha over it. Okay? The next example here is sheen. And we have Sheen coming after Alif and Lam. So Alif and Lam is written, they are written, but they're not pronounced. So we say Washamsi wa duhaha. Okay? Sword. We have sword here coming after Alif and Lam. So we say Wahussila ma fissudur. Fissudur. Okay? Lord, we have Lord coming after Alif and Lam, so we say Wadduha. Yeah? Wadduha. And the last one is Noon. We have Noon coming after Alif and Lam, so we say Ilahin Nasi. Okay? Ilahin Nasi. So for both Lam al-Qamariya and Lam al-Shamsiya, they will have to come after Alif and Lam. In Qamariya, the last one that we did, is that when a letter of Qamariya comes after Alif and Lam, the Alif alone becomes silent. It is written but becomes silent, and the Lam takes a sukoon when they are in the middle of a sentence. For a Shamsiya, today's lesson is that when a Shamsiya letter comes after Alif and Lam in the middle of a sentence, both the Alif and Lam are written, but they are not being pronounced. Okay? If they come at the beginning of a sentence for Shamsiya and Qamariya, the moon letters and the sun letters, then we will have to put Fatha above the Alif. Okay? So I hope and pray that this lesson was clear, and inshallah I'll see you in the other lesson, which is another type of Lam, which is called Lamu Lafdul Jalala. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.